Christmas holidays, I'm going to be putting over 10,000 Christmas lights on my one-of-a-kind OBS Fummins. Sit back and relax and enjoy the surprises on the way. We're going to go through the checklist for the things that we need. 1, we need 10,000 lights. 2, we need scotch tape or masking tape. 3, we need something to power it, either a generator, a power inverter, or the world's longest extension cord, and I don't think that's going to work. And 5, we got the mystery surprise. You have to stick to the end of the video to see what that is. So for the first step, we already got 5,000 lights. I thought it was going to be enough, but it's not enough here on this channel. So we got to order 2 more boxes of these, which I have already ordered and should be here in 2 days. But let's see how bright these bad boys are. And they also have multiple modes on them. So you can click this button and it has multiple modes. Let's just grab it. Hit the lights. Damn.
Honestly, not bad at all.
I mean, for only 5,000. Now times this by 2. This is going to be insane. And the modes are wild. Next is, what did I say, scotch tape?
Yep.
I think masking tape is going to be the best bet. I can get white masking tape.
We're going to do that.
Get white masking tape. It won't peel up the paint. It'll stick good enough. And it's wider than most scotch tape. And it sticks better. So let's get that. So scotch tape is on the back burner because we have to go to the store to get that. But I have a generator sitting out here in the weeds, and we're going to see if that might start up and run. Last time I put it there, it was not running. So let's see if we can't get it running. Yeah, just as I suspected. Look at this thing.
She is a little bee, I'm not going to lie.
Bro, she is on drive shafts. Like, legit, it's on drive shafts.
Where are they even from?
Those drive shafts? They're out of my 488 axles. They're like 2-ton axles. They're fucking massive, but I don't know what. Good old Harbor Freight special, baby. Oh, she has gas, so that's a plus.
How long has it been sitting here?
I think we can get it started right here.
No, I don't know about all that.
What's the chances of us getting it started right now? Let's see if it has actual gas in it. Oh yeah, she's got gas.
Oh, she's got gas.
It's been sitting out here, I think, for 2 years. Honestly, I have no idea. It has gas. Filter's not there anymore. I think I just turned the choke on. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of show.
This is going to take a little bit of work, won't it?
Oh! Yo! Oh! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Fuck.
Ain't no way.
Oh, she's a trooper!
Hey, that's impressive.
Oh, she's a trooper! She's running a little rough, but I think it might do. Oh, we're set, boys.
Now we have to see if the lights will shine enough out of this generator.
Oh, this is a massive generator. Honestly, shout out to Harbor Freight. I am not sponsored. This thing is not planned. This is not skidded. This thing's been sitting out here for
a minute.
A minute, 2-3 years. And it's never been started. Like, look at this. It's dry rotted. Like, I can't make this up. Damn, she's just humming. All right, so we got power, we got lights, we got scotch tape. Well, no, we don't. We need to go to the store, go get it. Now we don't have to buy a generator, so that's a plus. And
now we need to get the truck started.
Hours upon hours of putting lights on.
Yeah.
And don't forget, we got a massive surprise at the very end on what we're gonna be putting on the truck. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Not bad. Oh, she's gonna do wonders. Yep, I'm excited for this. Now we've got a lot of taping to do. The truck's probably dead. We'll have to put a charger on her. Truck hasn't been started in like, I don't know, 3 weeks. So it's been a few days. Santa Claus dropped off the rest of the Christmas lights. We got a key, we got an OBS. We gotta see if it starts. I don't even know if it will. It's been cold, I haven't started it, so let's go see if it starts.
Is that a hood stack?
Well, actually, it smells like Medusi. Oh my goodness. These batteries aren't even that old. They're 2023 batteries. You know what I think it is? I think it's a sound system. I got a full sound system, 2 amps, subs, whole custom sound system in this truck. I think one of the amps are staying on. I don't know if you can see this. Actually, you can't because it won't turn back on. Anyways, it's at 89%. Comment down below if you think 89% on this jump pack is going to start this truck, on how dead it is. I don't even think it has 2 volts in it right now. Let's put it on the side of the the starter. That way it got straight oh, that's the wrong color. I swear I'm not colorblind. Right, let's just grab another truck and fucking jump it. Dude, I'm getting new batteries today. Maybe not today, I'll get them tomorrow.
No, we're gonna go get them today.
This jump pack actually sucks. Do not get this off of the TikTok shop. TikTok got me this time. It's at 78%. It won't even start it. Brian, you have to hold this. I probably should charge for a little bit, but let's just send it.
It'll be fine. Oh, she a little nasty, ain't she?
That's what 700 horsepower and 45 degrees of advanced timing does for you on a 12 valve, baby. Woo!
Oh, she got Santa, huh?
Oh yeah, we gotta get in the spirit for this video, so we got me a little Santa hat.
We got a good surprise, don't we?
But this sleigh rolls cold.
Just a little bit of power.
We'll be shooting some flames later on tonight.
Oh yeah. You might be the most off-brand Santa I've ever met.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I don't care. Anyways, it took us, what, 3 hours? 3 hours later, we're finally done putting 10,000 Christmas lights on the side of this one of one OBS Fummins. Now, I told you guys there was going to be a little surprise at the end of this video. And before we get to the rollers and the fun stuff whenever the sun goes down and it gets nighttime so we can see how lit up this thing is, let me go ahead and announce that I am, as of today, you can get entered to win my one-of-one OBS Fummins, 700 horsepower. I've built this thing over the years of owning. I've had it for like 8 years now. It is my baby. If any of you guys are OGs of the channel, you guys know that this truck is the staple of my channel, the beginning of the channel, and really it's everything to me. It's my first diesel conversion. It's a lot of firsts for me, and it turned out super sick. Now that the final vision of it is a 4-door long bed dually with some custom wheels from ETE Forge, brand new Versa tires on it that don't even have 600 miles on them. The wheels too, they don't even have 600 miles on it. Brand new turbo from Smedding, don't even have 600, 700 miles on it. Brand new injectors, 150 over injectors, 215 pump on it, P-pump, fast fuel system. So anyways, since we're opening the door here, don't mind the dirtiness right now. It will get a full detail before you guys get to be able to pick it up. Now, it has 2010 Super Duty seats in it, front and rear with the console. It has a ZF5, no junk Dodge transmission. So it has the adapter plate, a dual disc, South Bend clutch on it. That mounts to the 12 valve Cummins. Back, we've got obviously the 2010 Super Duty seats in here as well. And underneath we have the sub box, custom sub box. Let me grab the camera real quick. Custom amp board back here with 2 SCAR amps. Professionally done, has tweeters in all the doors all the way around. Brand new headliner, LED lighting everywhere around. And it also has a Kenwood stereo in it and new door speakers everywhere around. So popping the hood, we are getting brand new powder in the next week or two. And we are going to be powdering everything under the hood. So everything will be freshly powdered underneath here. And again, like I said, this is all custom shit. So 3rd gen manifold. Turbo is now mounted backwards, which is badass. It has a crazy limiter, it has 4K gov springs in it. I mean, we can go on and on. This thing is just a rowdy truck for you guys to enjoy and to break the internet. Literally every time I post this truck, it breaks the internet. If you guys want a internet breaking truck, click the link down in the description. Get entered today, because right now we're doing 50 times multiplier on every ticket that you buy right now. So, and that's not gonna last long, so get into it right now and enjoy the rest of the video. Now, after we gave you guys a surprise, let's see if these freaking lights even light up. This is not good. All right, so back on the giveaway segment. This is my 2nd giveaway, FYI. So it's not my first one. You guys know, if you guys look back on the channel, I had a 2011 King Ranch on an 18-inch lift, and I gave that thing away too. Just a lot of things came up. I couldn't continue the giveaways, starting up a business, doing all these things. So it was a hassle. So I'm finally in a spot, and I got a badass filmer with me that can help me with these things. So I'm gonna do another giveaway for you guys. So let's see if this thing starts up. Enough with the giveaway thing.
Dude, she is bright. Dude, that is sick.
Let's go ahead and get to town, and let's do some filming in town. You guys don't want...
She cranks up too.
You guys don't... Oh yeah, I don't even know if it's gonna start up.
Come on, girl.
I let her sit for like 3-4 weeks at a time, and then I try to start it. Yeah, of course it's gonna be dead.
God, that thing is retarded.
Oh, that's a cop.
Oh, thank God he didn't wait on us.
No, he's literally going in front of us. What do you mean?
That's a good thing.
I don't think that's a good thing, brother.
It's better than being behind us.
Oh, he's boot scooting boogieing it right now.
Oh, we're fine.
Okay, let's not test our luck. Let's not test our luck.
Literally.
I would much rather do this video without getting pulled over and arrested.